Welcome back to my another C# Media Player tutorial. Today in this video show you how to make a responsive window. This window is not responsive. Follow me. Let's go to set. First set the 3 main button. Button is set. Now set the list box and Windows Media Player. List box and Windows Media Player are set. Now set the panel to. Panel 2 is set. Now full Windows is fully responsive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Next video show to 3 main button codes.
Thanks for watching. You can show my previous and random video. Follow me on social media like a Twitter, Facebook and Insta. I have upload videos on ethical hacking, CCNA, Android, error fixing, Windows, networking, green screen etc.